Ready to embark on an exciting woodworking journey? Let's explore 13 easy DIY projects that will transform your home and skills. Start with the basics: a hammer, saw, measuring tape, and safety gear. Online tutorials will guide you through each step. Create a sliding wood crate storage system for your closet, bringing order to chaos with rustic charm. Transform your kitchen with 3 easy DIY projects: a utensil holder, spice rack, and knife block. Build a delightful kids' bookshelf using just one 8-foot board. It's simpler than you think. Craft a sleek writing desk with a full extension drawer, perfect for your home office or study nook. Keep your workspace tidy with a cordless drill charging center and a handy sandpaper disc storage rack. Declutter your entryway with a wall-mounted shoe organizer, storage stool, and a charming rustic coat rack. Ready to start crafting? Click the link below for more inspiration and detailed guides.